The year is 1912, a year that would be etched in history for many reasons, but none more so than the launch of a ship that promised to redefine maritime travel. It's a cold April morning in Southampton, England. The port is bustling with activity as the town awakens to a day that will be remembered for generations. The largest ship ever built, the RMS Titanic, is getting ready for her first voyage. Towering above the docks, she is a marvel of modern engineering and luxury. This giant ship, made entirely of steel, represents the best of human engineering. Her construction took over 2 years and involved thousands of workers, each contributing to what was believed to be an unsinkable vessel. Thousands of people are gathered, amazed by her size and beauty. They wave and cheer, filled with a sense of pride and wonder at this floating palace. They don't know it yet, but this trip will become a famous story. A story of dreams and ambitions, of luxury and tragedy that will be told for centuries to come. The air is thick with excitement, but there's also a feeling that something big is about to happen. The crowd senses the significance of this moment, even if they can't quite put their finger on it. Passengers, a mix of rich and famous people and hopeful immigrants, board the ship with dreams of new beginnings. They carry with them stories of their own, each one hoping that the Titanic will be the vessel that changes their lives forever. Captain Edward Smith, a very experienced captain, stands at the helm, prepared for his final command. Known for his calm demeanor and expertise, he is the perfect choice to lead this maiden voyage. The Titanic sets sail, starting her maiden voyage across the vast Atlantic Ocean. As she glides away from the port, the world watches, unaware of the fate that awaits this magnificent ship and her passengers. Life on board is incredibly luxurious. The Titanic, often referred to as a floating palace, offers an unparalleled experience for its first-class passengers. From the moment they step on board, they are greeted with opulence and grandeur. The first-class lounge, adorned with exquisite furnishings and intricate designs, is a testament to the ship's magnificence. The grand staircase, a marvel of craftsmanship, serves as a central hub where passengers can gather and socialize. First-class passengers enjoy fancy suites, delicious food, and elegant ballrooms. The dining experience is nothing short of spectacular, with gourmet meals prepared by world-class chefs. Each dish is a culinary masterpiece, served in a lavish dining room that rivals the finest restaurants on land. The ballrooms, with their sparkling chandeliers and polished dance floors, host grand events where passengers can dance the night away in style. The ship even has a gym, a swimming pool, and a variety of recreational facilities. Passengers can maintain their fitness routines in the state-of-the-art gymnasium, complete with the latest exercise equipment. The swimming pool offers a refreshing escape, allowing guests to relax and unwind while enjoying the gentle sway of the ocean, and a place to play squash. The recreation areas are designed to provide endless entertainment, ensuring that there is never a dull moment on board. Whether it's a friendly game of squash or a leisurely stroll on the deck, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Music fills the air and laughter echoes through the beautiful hallways. Talented musicians perform live, creating a vibrant atmosphere that adds to the overall charm of the ship. Passengers can be seen dancing and mingling, forming new friendships and making memories that will last a lifetime. But deep inside the ship, there's a different world. Away from the glitz and glamour, the third-class cabins tell a different story. These modest accommodations, though less luxurious, are a haven for those seeking a fresh start. The engine room, a hive of activity, is where the hard-working crew ensures the smooth operation of the ship. Hundreds of people, hoping for a new life in America, are crammed into small spaces. These passengers, often traveling with their entire families, endure the cramped conditions with resilience and hope. The lower decks are bustling with life, filled with the sounds of children playing and families sharing stories of their dreams and aspirations. They endure the long journey, carrying their hopes and fears with them. Each passenger has a unique story, a reason for leaving their homeland and embarking on this voyage. Despite the challenges, there is a sense of camaraderie among them, a shared determination to build a better future. It's a stark contrast to the luxury above, showing the different levels of society. The divide between the opulent first class and the humble third class is a reflection of the broader social structure of the time. Yet on this grand ship, both worlds coexist, each with its own stories and dreams, bound together by the journey across the vast ocean. The night of April 14th arrives, and an eerie calm falls over the icy waters. There are no stars in the sky above the ship, The sea, looking calm and peaceful, hides the danger beneath. At 11:40 p.m., something unthinkable happens. A chilling sound cuts through the night, the sound of metal scraping ice. Panic spreads through the ship quickly. The Titanic, which was said to be unsinkable, had hit an iceberg. Chaos takes over as the terrifying reality sets in. The ship is sinking. Distress rockets are fired into the night sky, desperate calls for help. The Californian, a nearby ship, doesn't see the rockets because its radio operator is off duty. It's a cruel twist of fate. Families hold each other close, clinging to hope. In the middle of the chaos, acts of selflessness and sacrifice emerge. The band continues to play music, a haunting soundtrack to the tragedy. Men help women and children into lifeboats knowing they might not survive. The cries of those who will be lost echo in the night. People who survived the sinking tell a terrifying story. The agonizing wait for rescue, the screams swallowed by the night, the chilling sight of the Titanic breaking in two and sinking beneath the waves, the deafening silence that followed, broken only by the cries of those left floating in the freezing water. "I saw the ship sink," whispered one survivor, her voice trembling. "It was like a nightmare." Another remembered the haunting cries of those left behind, a memory that would stay with him forever. The world woke up to the news in disbelief and horror. The unsinkable Titanic had sunk, taking the lives of over 1,500 people. The tragedy shocked the globe, showing the problems with safety rules at sea. Afterward, investigations and inquiries led to big changes in how ships were built and operated. The International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, or SOLAS, was created, requiring stricter safety measures for ships. The tragedy was a harsh reminder of the power of nature and how fragile human life is. More than a century later, the Titanic still fascinates people all over the world. Its story has been told and retold in countless books, documentaries and films, each time capturing the imagination of new generations. The Titanic is not just a shipwreck, it is a symbol of a bygone era, a floating palace that represented the pinnacle of human engineering and luxury. People from all walks of life are drawn to its story, whether they are history buffs, maritime enthusiasts, or simply curious souls. The Titanic's allure lies in its tragic end, a stark contrast to its grand beginnings. It's a symbol of human ambition and its limits, reminding us of the power of hope, courage, and sacrifice. The ship was a marvel of its time, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Yet it also serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of hubris and the unpredictable forces of nature. The Titanic's story is one of dreams and aspirations, but also of harsh realities and unforeseen consequences. It challenges us to reflect on our own ambitions and the lengths we go to achieve them. The wreck, found in 1985, is a sad underwater graveyard, a solemn reminder of that fateful night. The discovery of the wreckage brought a renewed interest in the Titanic, sparking numerous expeditions and research projects. Each dive to the ocean floor reveals more about the ship's final moments and the lives of those on board. The eerie images of the decaying ship, now home to marine life, evoke a sense of melancholy and wonder. It is a place where history and nature intertwine, creating a hauntingly beautiful underwater tableau. The story of the Titanic, though full of sadness, still resonates with us today. It is a tale of human resilience and the will to survive against all odds. The passengers and crew faced unimaginable challenges, yet their stories of bravery and sacrifice continue to inspire. The Titanic's legacy is not just about the ship itself, but about the people who were on it, their hopes, dreams, and the lives they led. Their stories remind us of our shared humanity and the enduring spirit that binds us all. It reminds us that life is precious, that we should be humble, and that the human spirit is strong even in the face of adversity. The memorials and tributes to the Titanic victims serve as poignant reminders of the lives lost and the lessons learned. They encourage us to cherish our loved ones and to live each day with gratitude and humility. The Titanic's story is a powerful testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring power of hope, even in the darkest of times. The legend of the Titanic lives on, a haunting reminder of the night the ocean refused to be conquered. It is a story that continues to captivate and move us, a timeless tale of human ambition, tragedy, and resilience. As we look to the future, the Titanic's legacy serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between human endeavor and the forces of nature. It challenges us to learn from the past and to strive for a better, more compassionate world. The Titanic may have sunk, but its story will forever remain afloat in our collective memory.